If you're a candle lover like I am, this is something you definitely want around the house. This one is basically a candle lighter. But you know what? You could probably use it for a variety of other things, including, torch, cigarette lighter, whatever. How it works is, you just saw there, I just press out, and I don't know if you can see at the very end here, but it lights up. Now, this might seem dangerous to you, but there is actually an on-off switch here. I like that this is a manual on-off switch instead of the button system. Very easy to work. And then if you want to charge it, it does have a USB-C, which is what I really appreciate because I don't like the old style. And it just charges up here. And when you have 4 bars, you know it's fully charged. And here's the charger it comes with, USB-C to USB. I've got plenty of these around the house. I don't know about you, but it's nice that it comes with one for those of you who don't. Personally, I like the C to C versions better, but these are still the standard ones, I believe. So here we have a candle over here. This is something that I made, so it's not very pretty. It's not aligned well, but as you can see, it's pretty easy to light. Ta-da! And there you go. Nice, simple design, and I recommend.